Kuringana na mwari wa nyina na mutigaire Susan Rienye Smith, araugire ndagitari uria wamamukire andikire ati Kariuki arabatara thakame ya naihenya na kuga atwarwo wadi, no Kariuki ndaigana gutangikirwo nginyagia muthenya wa Kiumia, na thutha ucio gutangikirwo thutha wa Susan kuga ni kuhura riboti kuri arugamiriri ya thibitari iyo.
Hau ni Jumamothi kindu saa 5 cia kiroko turaikara Jumamothi yothe gutiri thakame, turaikara nginya hwaini kurakia gutiri thakame. Ndirageria kuhanga ku nginyagia guthi labu thiini wa labu, ndiraria na andu aria mararikuo maranjira thii njethe ndagitari uria uramuheire uramudiagnose uhoro wa thakame.
Kuringana na Susan, mũrũ wa nyina hurukire mathaa mana thutha wa gwikirwo thakame, thutha wa igeria ria ndagitari ria kumuthaitira na macini cia kumuiga muoyo, amu ari muhoteku muno.
Aroka aramwika CPR, aramuhinya githuri, aramwikira miruki na acoka arambiria kumwikira blood. Ndiramuria thakame ria uma kunora ugite gutiri blood. Hihi ni oneka arakimwikira emwe, no within no time ri mwanake witu arakorwo athirite na athirikeire.
Murugamiriri wa thibitari no Sami Kilonzo ni akanite ati Kariuki abataraga thakame ya naihenya, no kiria ri nakio ni unyihu wa mai mwiri-ini, kuria gwacungiriirwo ni kwaga kuria wega, amwe na kansa ya mumero mugaru na uria family ino irauga.
From where I sit as a doctor, the HB was 11.7. That is not, we know, is a patient who has been undergoing chemotherapy, and therefore it seems the patient mainly, the main issue was dehydration, which the patient was on IV fluids for hydration. So although they are saying there was a delay in transfusion, the patient did not require emergency transfusion.
Kilonzo ndanahota gutariria gitumi gia Kariuki gutangikirwo thutha wa mwari wa nyina Susan kuheana mukana wa gutwara riboti iyo kuri arugamiriri ya thibitari uyu. Uthuthuria ni wambikitwo wa kwenjera ndeto ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Njĩta Wanjikũ wa Wanjikũ.